Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Pluto TV app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, come to apps this here until you're looking for Pluto TV app, or just click on search. Then here add Pluto TV app, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this is click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then here you search here for Pluto TV app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.